Hi, my name is Dr. Knouff. I'm a family medicine doctor at Providence Family Medicine, East Olympia, and I'm happy to try and answer your questions.
Where did you get your medical training?
So the first 2 years of medical school I spent on a little tiny island called Saba, in a medical school called Saba University School of Medicine. And then I spent the next 2 years doing clinicals in the United States, most of the time in Kansas City, Missouri, and I did a little bit of work in the Bronx in New York.
Why did you decide to become a primary care doctor?
When I was thinking about what type of medicine I wanted to practice, in a lot of ways I was thinking about which would be the hardest thing to do, the most challenging. And primary care not only deals with every kind of medical problem that there is to a certain extent, but also every mental problem that there is. There's always more to learn, so it's very, very challenging, and every day is different.
What do you do to keep fit?
Well, I have an exercise video. It's not very pretty when I do it, but I'm willing to look silly in the comfort of my own home in front of my family and maybe a close friend or two.
Do you like to take Oreos apart before you eat them? Eat them whole or dunk them in milk?
I guess I'd twist them in half first.
What's the coolest thing going on in medicine these days?
I think we are at a place in medicine where we know enough that we can provide solid advice, and we have the technology to a level where we can actually track things on a patient level.
What's the best thing about your job?
My favorite part about being a doctor is making a difference in people's lives. I think the things that people think about, diagnosing a major illness or helping people through a huge situation in their life, that is part of being a doctor, but mostly it's about giving good advice about doing everyday things like exercise and helping people stay on track as far as focus on the things that really matter with physical health and mental health. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or would like to make an appointment, please give our office a call.